TecNrgy provides state-of-the-art fuel cells and sustainable energy solutions for the armed forces, homeland security, smart cities, telecom, oil and gas industries. FCT takes pride in having achieved several milestones in a short span of 6 years. We are the first Indian enterprise to have commenced marketing and commercializing direct methanol fuel cell DMFC-based clean energy solutions.
FCT was founded in the year 2016 as a fuel cell and sustainable energy venture. Our focus was on methanol fuel cells, and we are proud to say that we are the first company to commence selling direct methanol fuel cell systems in India. And we've evolved as a small company with 3 people in 2016 today to more than 50 people with offices in different cities and also in the US.
FCT also secured a very prestigious and state-of-the-art net zero energy project with NTT Research in California, USA. We also became the first Indian company to secure fuel cell contracts with the Indian Army and Air Force in 2021, besides inking a strategic agreement with Bharat Electronics Limited for the Indian Defence and Homeland Security Forces. 2022 saw us being declared as one of the winners of the prestigious IDEX Challenge by the Ministry of Defence, Department of Defence Production. FCT now has embarked upon a very significant step of finalizing an agreement with our strategic fuel cell technology partner, SFC Energy, AG of Germany, which will result in the state-of-the-art hydrogen and methanol fuel cells being produced in Gurgaon. From early 2023 in India as part of Atmanirbhar Bharat.
Our USP is our deep domain knowledge about our technology and its application to the end user. Our agility to innovate and custom design solutions is one of our key strengths. In sync with the Atmanirbhar philosophy of the nation, we primarily cater to our Indian defense and homeland security forces and help them replace the DG sets with highly efficient, economical and eco-friendly fuel cell solutions.
Over the last few years, we have seen a great surge in interest and acceptability of the fuel cells in the Indian market. And this has given us the encouragement and the confidence now to commence manufacturing these fuel cells completely in India with our technology partners, SFC Energy of Germany. And I would say the next 3 to 5 years is a very exciting time where we see a huge surge in interest. And I would say this is a good time to be in the fuel cell industry in India.
With over 750 plus solutions successfully deployed across the country, we see a significant interest come demand for our fuel cell solutions from numerous sections of the Indian industry. The path-changing announcement by the Indian Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi in 2022 targets a 45% cut in CO2 emissions across India. This has led to clamour for clean technologies in the power industry. And we in FCT see ourselves correctly placed to contribute towards India's climate change initiatives and sustainability goals through our clean energy hydrogen and methanol fuel cell solutions.